Every file on your Mac leaves a trail: when it was created, when it was changed, and where it lives. Spyware can't erase that. Instead, it hides files in odd corners or tweaks existing ones to look innocent. The trick is knowing where to look. First, open Terminal. You'll find it in Launchpad. Now, let's look for hidden files. In Terminal, input the command on your screen. This will list files macOS has flagged as hidden. Keep an eye out for strange or unfamiliar folders in spots like Application Support. Next, run the command shown. It searches for files that begin with a dot files in your desktop, documents, and downloads. Type in the next command to check for files in your library that were changed in the last 3 days. Pay special attention to preferences, application support, or launch agents. If you spot files you don't remember installing, be cautious. Spyware often hides in places where it can restart itself. Input the command on your screen to scan application support, launch agents, and launch daemons. Run the command on your screen to quickly sort your downloads by the most recently modified files. If something was changed or added without your knowledge, that deserves a closer look. Finally, type the command on your screen and press Enter. This shows file flags and application support. Spotting spyware isn't about fancy tools. It's about noticing hidden or modified files that don't belong. With a few quick checks in Terminal, you can spot the warning signs early before spyware has a chance to dig in. For more tech guides, follow TechLoy.